I want to introduce you to my new line of speed center finders, the Heritage Edition. These are designed to help you find the center of any blank, round or square, anywhere from 1/2 of an inch all the way up to 6 inches. Let me show you right here. So you basically line the corners of the blank up in the slots like so. Once you've got them lined up, you simply just make a mark, and there you found the center of your blank. This is the Speed Center 3. It works up to 3 inches wide on a piece of wood. Now, you have the up to 6-inch one, which is great, so we'll use this as an example. So the numbers on here are to help you get symmetrically spaced. So once I do that, I find the center on a round blank, because we're always losing the points on our blanks when we round them out and do stuff like that, and this is very helpful to find the center again. Now, if you come up to a larger blank to where this won't go corner to corner, this will go up to 6 inches wide, and you do the same thing where you match the numbers up edge to edge and make sure they're symmetrical, and then you can mark your center there. So these are the Heritage Edition of Speed Centers, and if you want to check them out, go to woodturningwithtim.com.